Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to draw a column graph using Excel. So if you want to draw a column graph using Excel, you could just highlight your data, go to Insert, and then click on Recommended Charts. Now, if you do this way, it's most likely gonna give you the best chart for your data. In this case, is a nice column graph. Now let's say that you wanted to do your column graph, but you're struggling to. So if I go to insert and I just go straight away to, if I highlight my data, go column graph, I don't get the right graph. So if you're having this problem, the best thing that you can do is just to make a pivot table like I showed you previously. So if you remember, you can just highlight this, go to insert, and then recommended pivot table, and it will create one for you. Once you have that pivot table, you can highlight the table, insert, and then go column, and it will draw the column graph for you. It's really easy and simple to create the graph this way. So I hope this was useful, so then you can draw your column graphs very easily on Excel.